So now let's see how we can choose text style inside of Filmora. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up with a very basic text. So I'm just going to go around onto plain text and bring this in right here. You can see that this is the text I have. So I can go ahead and manually format this, or what I can do is I can go around. I'm just going to change out the text to tube right here. So what I can do is I can go on the left side, and here you can see that there's presets of the text style right here. Simply double click on it and the text style gets applied. Double click on it and the text style gets applied. So if you want a quick design change, you can simply use this, as you can see. So now what you can also do is apply this in presets. So I'm going to go around, press OK. I'm just going to delete this. And I'm going to bring one of the titles right here. Thus, I'm going to go for openness right here. And then I'm going to bring in this one right here. So it's downloading the content because it's actually not stored on my PC as it's downloadable content, as you can see right here. So what I can do is I can type in tube. So I'm just going to go around and type in tube right here. Tube, just like this. And hit the play button. So once I do that, you can see that this is how it looks. Cool, right there, just in a few clicks. So I can click on the text right here and change the style right here. And you can see that now immediately the design has been changed out. I can go around, choose this as well. So that is how it looks. And all the animations right here will be preserved. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that the animation style has been preserved right here, just like that. And I can change the look. I can go around and make changes as well. So let's say I want to change the color right here. Let's say, for example, then I can go around and do that as well. So I'm just going to go around right here, choose this style or this style or this style. You can see that I can go around, choose the color around as well, and that is how it looks. So that is how you can work around with choosing text style inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.